Hi, welcome to eBuilding. In this tutorial, we show you the main features introduced with new release. Now, you can insert tags directly in eBuilding. The first time you enter the model ID code, you can also choose to import all the Matter tags entered in Matterport, and you can manage them directly in eBuilding. You can also delete tags without modifying the original model in Matterport. You can change the tag name and associate all the contents you want to show in the data box. With the use of the Copy To command, you can duplicate the template with all the contents and choose to change the name and content without having to re-enter the tags. You can enter the model ID code several times. In this way you can have the same model with different tags and contents, or simply the same tags but in different languages. With the use of the Copy To command, you can duplicate the template with all the contents and choose to change the name and content without having to re-enter the tags. Now, you can choose the color and size of the text that describes the content of the tag. Now, the data box supports the visualization of the 360 photos that you have uploaded in eBuilding. With each tag you can associate multiple 360 photos together, with videos, PDFs and photos. Important features have been introduced, such as Copy To and Move To, that allow you to copy or move files, folders and models to other positions. The grid view also allows you to preview all the photos in eBuilding.